Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change your domain name on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, changing your domain name depends on what you want to do. If you have the free version, you can change the free domain that you get. Your free domain is going to be always your domain name.wordpress.com, and otherwise you can also purchase a domain yourself, and I'm going to show you guys how to do both of them. I won't be purchasing a domain, but I'll show you where you can do that. Now, what you need to do if you're on the WordPress admin, go into hosting and then go into domains. And here you'll see your list of domains. As you can see, this is my primary site address since it is the default site domain that I get with WordPress. And then you can upgrade to a plan to get a free 1-year subscription to a domain, or you can search for a domain that you want. You can also add a new domain and add an external domain you already own if you already use a third-party hosting service, which I do recommend you do since they do often give you some certain benefits, but WordPress domains are just as cool. Now, what you need to do if you want to change this one is go on to the 3 dots, click change site address, and for example, tutorial site test should be an available domain. And as you can see, just enter the domain that you want, click next, understand everything, and click change site address. And after that, you're pretty much good to go. And as you can see, that has now changed. Alternatively, you can just search for a domain. It's automatically going to fill up your own your own default domain name, which is going to give you options based on that. You can search for whichever domain you want, but that is pretty much it. Then you just need to select one, enter your payment information, and then subscribe to the domain. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.